Hello friends, I am Varun from Learn English with UV, and in this session we learn verbal ability topics includes one word substitutions, synonyms and idioms and phrases. So let's start the video. So starting from the first topic, that is one word substitutions. So the first one word, the outer boundary of an area. So the right answer is periphery. The outer limit or edge of an area or object. किस चीज की परिरेखा या बाहरी इलाका को कहा जाता है periphery. Next word is a disease which is spread by direct. So the right answer is contagious. Contagious means spread from one person or organism to another, typically by direct contact. संक्रामक रूप से फैली हुई बीमारी को कहा जाता है contagious. And the next one word is the study of ancient civilizations. So the right answer is archaeology, the study of human history and prehistory through the explanation of sites and the analysis of artifacts and other physical remains. So the right answer is archaeology. And next one word is specialize in nose disease. So the right answer is rhinologist, the branch of medical science concerned with the nose and its diseases. Nose के specialist को कहा जाता है rhinologist. And the next one word is a system of naming things. So the right answer is nomenclature, the body or system of names used in a particular specialist field. परिभाषिक शब्दावली या किसी चीज का नामकरण कहलाता है nomenclature. And here the new one word, practice of employing spies in war. So the right answer is espionage. The act or practice of spying is known as espionage. किस चीज की जासूसी करना कहलाता है espionage. And the next one word is release of a prisoner from jail on. So the right answer of our definition is parole. Parole means the temporary or permanent release of a prisoner before the expiry of a sentence. किसी बंदी व्यक्ति को उसकी सजा की अवधि पूरी होने से पहले ही अस्थायी रूप से रिहा करना. And last one word is an animal story with a moral. So the right answer is fable. Fable, a short story typically with animals as characters conveying a moral. किसी काल्पनिक कहानी को कहा जाता है fable. And move to the next section, that is synonym. So comes to the first synonym, that is blaze. Blaze means a large and often dangerous fire. बहुत भयंकर आग को कहा जाता है blaze. इसके synonyms देखते हैं flames, inferno, eruption and blast. So इसका right answer क्या होगा? इसका right answer होगा fire. And comes to the next synonym, that is vagary. Vagary means an unexpected and inexplicable change in situation or someone's behavior. बहुत सनकी होना कहलाता है vagary. So इसका right answer होगा impulse. And next synonym is transparent. Transparent, that you can see through. इसका हिंदी मतलब होता है पारदर्शी. पारदर्शी उसे कहते हैं जिसके पार की वस्तु दिखाई दे. तो ट्रांसपेरेंट का एक टाइप से मतलब होता है क्लियर. इसके synonyms होंगे plain, lucid, explicit and obvious. And the next synonym, evince. Evince means to make something obvious or show something clearly. किसी चीज का प्रकट होना या उसे उजागर करना मीनिंग देता है evince. So इसका राइट आंसर होगा to show something. Comes to the next synonym, that is soporific. Soporific, tending to induce drowsiness or sleep. सोने की अवस्था को कहते हैं हम soporific. इसके synonyms होंगे narcotic, sedative, calmative and tranquilizer. So इसका right answer होगा sleep inducing. Comes to the next synonym, that is shrink. Shrink means to become smaller or make something smaller. इस चीज का सिकोड़ना कहलाता है shrink. And इसका आंसर होगा shrivel. Next synonym is eternal. Eternal means lasting or existing forever. You say without end. कोई चीज अनंत होती है उसे कहते हैं हम eternal. So इसके synonyms होंगे everlasting, endless, perpetual and immortal. So इसका right answer होगा perpetual. And next synonym is duplicity. Duplicity is a practice of intentionally misleading people. किसी छल या कपट करना कहलाता है duplicity. Duplicity के synonyms होंगे deception, fraud and artifice. So इसका आंसर भी होगा deception. And next synonym is salutary. Salutary, producing a beneficial effect. अच्छा प्रभाव डालने वाला represent करता है meaning salutary को. So इसके synonyms होंगे helpful, productive, valuable and advantageous. And last synonym है reparation. Reparation means payment for harm or damage that has been caused to a person or an organization. किसी की हानि पूर्ति को कहते हैं हम reparation. इसका आंसर होगा compensation और इसके synonyms होंगे atonement, amends, redress and restitution. So that is the end of synonyms. And next topic is idioms and phrases. So the first idiom is tied to the apron strings of. This idiomatic expression means dependent on or dominated, especially a mother or wife. किसी का नियंत्रण या आप कह सकते हो जोरों का गुलाम. यह मीनिंग देता है tied to the apron strings of. So इसका right answer होगा to be dominated by. And next idiom part is blind alley. If you describe a situation as a blind alley, you mean that progress is not possible or that the situation can have no useful results. किसी चीज में निष्फल हो जाना कहलाता है blind alley. So इसका right answer होगा option C, unprofitable action. And the new idiomatic expression wildcat strike. Wildcat strike means a situation in which workers suddenly refuse to work because they do not agree with a decision made by their employer about pay. अपने हक के लिए कोई स्ट्राइक या हड़ताल को वाइल्डकैट स्ट्राइक के इडियम के तौर पर यूज करते हैं. And the next idiom is grease to one's mill. If you say that something is greased to the mill, you mean that it is useful for a particular purpose or helps support someone's point of view. किसी के लिए कोई चीज फायदेमंद होना कहलाता है grease to one's mill. Grease to one's mill, to useful for one's purpose. And next idiom is to keep the pot boiling. If you keep the pot boiling, you do not something to make sure that a process does not stop or to make sure that a situation continues to be. पेट बनना या गुजारा करना, इसको हम to keep the pot boiling के तौर पर लेते हैं. So इसका right answer होगा to maintain interest. किस चीज में interest बनाए रखना. And comes to the next idiom, that is to be in the doldrums. To be in the doldrums means be inactive, very quiet or dull and in low spirits. उदासी में होना represent करता है to be in the doldrums idiom को. So इसका right answer होगा to be in low spirits. And next idiom is to act out. If you act out something, you make your supply of it last as long as possible. निर्वाह करना या किस चीज का बाहर बढ़ा देना कहलाता है to act out. So इसका right answer होगा to supplement. And next idiom is within an ace of. Within an ace of means very close of to. Within a narrow margin, जो निकट आया हुआ हो उसे कहते हैं हम within an ace of. So इसका right answer होगा very close. And next idiomatic expression is to whitewash. To whitewash means To make something bad seem acceptable by hiding the truth. किसी की बहुत बुरी हार या जबरदस्त पराजय को हम to whitewash के इडियम के तौर पर लेते हैं. So इसका right answer होगा to retrieve damaged reputation. And the last idiom is to hit it off. To hit it off means be naturally friendly or well suited. किसी से संबंध अच्छे बनाए रखना कहलाता है to hit it off. To hit it off. To agree or be congenial. Thanks for watching this session. Hope you liked this vocabulary session, and for more videos, please stay connected.